A man travels from point A to B with 70 kilometers per hour and from point B to C with 50 kilometers per hour. Total distance between A and C is 300 kilometers. If his average speed is 60 kilometers per hour, then find the distance between A and B. Okay, so a man travels from point A to B, with 70 kilometers per hour, A to B, and from B to C with 50 kilometers per hour. So from B to C, 50 kilometers per hour. Okay. Total distance between A and C is 300 kilometers. So total distance here is 300 kilometers. If his average speed is 60 kilometers, then find the distance between A and B. So average speed here is 60 kilometers per hour, and they are asking us to find us the distance between A and B. So let's call this distance x. Okay. Now we know the formula for average speed. It is total distance upon total time. So the formula for average speed is total distance upon total time. Okay, so here we are given total distance, which is 300 kilometers, upon total time we don't know, and average speed is 60. Okay, so 0 0 gets cancelled, 6 1s are 6 5 are 30. So we get total time is 5 hours. All right, now okay, let's say this is the total distance. Okay, this is 300 kilometers. So now if A and B, the distance between A and B is x, then what will be the distance between B and C? If total distance is 300 kilometers, so the distance between B and C would be 300 minus x. Okay, distance between A and B is x, total is 300, so B and C will be 300 minus x. Okay, this is clear. Now we know the formula of speed, which is equals to distance upon time, or we can say that time is equals to distance upon speed. Okay, now we will use this formula, time is equals to distance upon speed. When a man travels from A to B, how much time it takes? So let's call that time AB. Okay, time AB will be distance upon speed. So here distance is what? X, and speed is what? 70. So we get time taken to travel from A and B is x by 70. And similarly for the time that will be required to travel from B to C, it would be distance, which is 300 minus x upon speed, which is 50. Now we know the total time is equals to 5 hours. So that means time taken to travel from A to B and time taken to travel from B to C is equals to 5 hours. That means this plus this is equals to this, 5 hours. So let's write it here. We get x by 70 plus 300 minus x over 50 is equals to 5. Okay, let's take the LCM here. It would be 350. So 7 5s are and 5x plus 5 7s are 7 3s are 2100 minus 7x is equals to 5. So we get 2100 minus 2x is equals to 350 into 5. We get 5 25 20 17. Okay, 1750. So we are left with, let's take 2x on the right hand side. We get 2100 minus 1750 is 250 plus 100, 350 is equals to 2x. So we get x, which is equals to 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 175. X is equals to 175. That means x, which is the distance between A and B, this is equals to 175 kilometers. And if the question asked us what is the distance between B and C, it would be 300 minus x, which is 300 minus 175, it would be 125. So distance AB is 175 and distance BC is 125. So here we are asked distance AB and it is 175 and none of the options satisfies. So that means option E here is the correct one.